Oh, you also playing it? Depending how many people go. So if we don't end up having enough, you can get your money.
Yo, Austin.
Okay. What?
Can I force a draw?
In a round?
Yes.
You mean like intentional draw?
Like the card says that it intentionally forces a draw.
If the card itself says the match ends in a draw, duh.
No, because it doesn't say it like that. It says basically if I go first and I make this.
Wow.
I'm doing something far more important than talking to you.
Awesome.
Yes.
Now you have yourself a playset.
What's the grand meter phone for Christmas?
Broken right there. What did it do? That's some broken stuff.
Hey Frank. CP's got
Oh my god.
Good afternoon.
You guys have to do 5 turns though. It's pretty.
There is a YuGiOh state today at the tournament.
Paladin. Video time on look, he got the promo. Promo too good. Sporadic and harsh. Oh, okay. That is awesome.
It would be Felgrand, but you don't have
Let me go sugar.
If they ask, tell them.
Rank down. What, rank down? Rank down. Wow. Yo, how much is our suitor worth? 10, 15? It looks nice as an ultra. Let's see. Utopia Roots? Ah, if only that was an ultimate.
Do I need your track card?
Go
I need
around.
that rare too.
If it is, cover it.
Obedience score. That is broken. Swear to God, it's so good. Oh, perfect. I need this comment. See Avenger.
You gotta see that. There's a thing on the sink. Check it out.
Wait, what was it? What was it rare?
It's really cool. Looks like a
Silver.
Wait, 3.
Is that all yours?
Alright, so not bad actually. That's pretty good. Bad. How much is this worth? Probably like 5. So we basically made our money back.
Yeah. For one set at least.
Yeah.
Oh well. Wait, did I get?
Oh hey.
Did you pull it?
Oh, Ibrahim.
This is mine. I haven't opened it yet.
I need your key.
I need to see.
Yo, Simon, could you record mine?
Oh,
What's that?
can I get a playset?
You can check the box and
Alright, let's see yours. Let's see the broken poles.
Yeah.
Good
I can't get a
afternoon.
playset.
Come on, open up the tags. Oh, I think I might have pulled an Avenger. Peacock.
Ah, it's a pretty cool stuff.
Tell me if you pull any ghost tricks.
I put something in there.
Except for Mummy. If you pull Jack Frost, Mary, or that Exceed in the trap.
Okay. You can sign people up late, right? You get? Yeah. Oh, in the program, yeah. Definitely.
Come on, man, you gotta pull at least one hollow. Or else I have done better than you. Per dare. Nothing so far?
Yay, commons.
You love them commons. Okay, now you're gonna see Extinction Knight. Oh, Jack Frost, give me that. 2 synchros in 1 pack.
Awesome.
That's so broken.
Where's
Give me that Jack Frost. Yeah, give me that. Jack Frost too good. Wait, what hollow did you pull?
Yo, third XIZ Avenger.
Yes, I need that.
Oh, Frost, my third Frost.
Ultimate rare. Ultimate rare.
Ultimate Mirror? Are you kidding me? Oh, nice. You got the C1?
I know, right? What is that?
Flopping.
You need Yeti?
Nah, I don't need Yeti though. You got the C101?
Not bad. 2 hollows.
No, but that sucks because you didn't get the regular 101.
Yeah. Oh well.